You people, listen to me! My name is Mad Dog Maxx, and you're all on notice because on Saturday, the 28th of April, Wrestle Clash, Mad Dog's about. Tom LaRuffa, my scheduled opponent. Tom LaRuffa, you must specially on notice. Apparently, you some superstar of Europe, the lardy-dard of the continent. Well, where I'm from, Tom LaRuffa, where Mad Dog Maxx is from, in the Black Country, in the heart of England, your average man is worth 10 Europeans. Me, Tom LaRuffa, I'm worth 10 of you, because in the Black Country, we knows how to eat proper. We knows how to drink proper beer, and most of all, we knows how to fight proper. Tom LaRuffa, watch your back, and for that matter, watch your legs. Watch your arms, watch your face, and watch your skull. Because Tom LaRuffa, when Mad Dog Maxx is about, Tom LaRuffa, when you're in the ring with Mad Dog Maxx, you going down in an Austrian town. Forearm smash.